Hello friends, welcome to CraftLas. I am Aarti Gupta and today I am going to make an indoor water fountain within a minute. For making this beautiful fountain, we need an earthen bowl, a diya, this is a big one, a motor pump which you can get from any hardware or aquarium shop, some artificial leaves. Now start making it. First of all, put your motor in the bowl and fill the bowl with water. Fill it completely up to the level. Now just put your leaves in the bowl around the motor to give the natural look of plants. Now cover the motor with diya. This will stop the flow of water. Now plug in your motor and look how the water is coming out. So make it at home. It's very quick, and if you like it, don't